In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, the idea of making money from the comfort of your own home has become increasingly appealing. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking for extra income, or simply someone who prefers the flexibility and convenience that working from home offers, there are numerous opportunities available to boost your bank account without ever having to leave your pajamas. In this article, we will explore 15 proven strategies that can help you achieve financial success right from the comfort of your own home. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money from home is by offering freelance services. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, there is always a demand for freelancers in these fields. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide an easy way to connect with clients and start earning money immediately. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or language proficiency, consider becoming an online tutor. With platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com, you can teach students around the world without ever leaving your house. Virtual assistant. Many businesses require assistance with administrative tasks but don't want to hire full-time employees for such roles. Becoming a virtual assistant allows you to work remotely while helping businesses manage their day-to-day operations efficiently. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can set up an online store without needing inventory up front. You act as a middleman between customers and suppliers. When a customer places an order on your website, it gets fulfilled directly by the supplier who ships it directly to them. Content creation. If you enjoy writing or creating videos on specific topics of interest such as beauty tutorials or travel guides, consider monetizing your content through platforms like YouTube or blogging networks. By attracting a large audience, you can earn money through ad revenue and sponsored content. Online surveys. Companies are constantly seeking consumer opinions to improve their products and services. By participating in online surveys, you can earn cash or gift cards simply by sharing your thoughts and feedback. E-commerce. Setting up an online store has never been easier with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Whether you sell handmade crafts, unique products, or even digital downloads, e-commerce provides a flexible way to generate income from home. Affiliate marketing. If you have a strong online presence or following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, consider becoming an affiliate marketer. You promote other people's products through personalized links, earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Transcription services. Many companies require accurate transcriptions of audio files for various purposes such as interviews or conference calls. If you have excellent listening skills and attention to detail, offering transcription services is an excellent opportunity to make money from home. Online coaching, consulting. If you possess expertise in areas such as business development, fitness training, or personal finance management, offer your services as an online coach or consultant. With video conferencing tools like Zoom and Skype readily available, distance is no longer a barrier to providing valuable guidance remotely. Stock trading, investing. While this strategy requires some knowledge of the stock market and financial analysis techniques, investing in stocks can be highly lucrative if done correctly over time. Online marketplaces. Utilize popular online marketplaces like Etsy or eBay to sell handmade crafts or vintage items that may be collecting dust at home but could fetch a good price elsewhere. Online gaming, streaming. For those who enjoy playing video games, streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch can attract viewership, which translates into potential income through donations, subscriptions, advertisements, sponsorships. Virtual events. With the rise of virtual events, there is an increasing demand for event planners and coordinators who can manage conferences, webinars, or online workshops. If you have experience in event management, this is a great opportunity to make money from home. Online language teaching. If you are fluent in multiple languages, consider teaching them online through platforms like Italki or Verbling. This allows you to connect with students worldwide and earn money while sharing your language skills. By implementing these proven strategies, you can boost your bank account from the comfort of your own home. Whether it's through freelancing, e-commerce, or offering specialized services, the opportunities are endless. Take advantage of the flexibility and convenience that working from home provides and start making money in your pajamas today. In conclusion, making money from home has never been more accessible than it is now. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to earn income without leaving their homes. By leveraging these 15 proven strategies such as freelancing, drop shipping, content creation, or affiliate marketing, anyone can boost their bank account right from the comfort of their own pajamas. So why wait? Start exploring these options today and watch as your financial success grows without ever having to step outside.